Hi guys, welcome back to Cookbook. Since it's the holy month of Ramadan, today I teach you another recipe can be eaten at Sehri and at Iftar, which is it's cooked very well, it's made of eggs and onions. So let's start. Heat a pan, add in 4 tablespoons of olive oil, add in 2 sliced onions, onions have become soft and nice. Now we add in 6 cloves of garlic which are chopped. Add in 1 chopped red chilli and 1 whole red chilli. Add in 1 whole green chilli chopped, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, grams of blanched tomatoes which are roughly chopped. Cook this mixture for 15 to 20 minutes till the tomatoes are well cooked and it's in a semi-gravy form. The tomatoes are well cooked. Add in some salt to taste. Add in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now make some sort of well or a hole in between the masalas. Make one at a time and break 1 egg at a time. Let it cook for 10 minutes till the eggs are well cooked. The colors are looking so lovely and delicious. The red, the white, the yellows. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes till the eggs are done. Wow, it's really cooked very well. The colors are looking beautiful. It is ready to serve and eat. You have to serve the shakshuka like in the pan itself. You don't have to plate it, you don't have to do anything. You have to keep the pan directly on the table. It's really looking very yummy, very nice and very delicious. Please do try it at home. Like the channel, like the video and subscribe to the channel Cookbook. Thank you.